President William Ruto Niwakulya Munini wa Musumbi ula Waithwa Kithitu muthenyani wa Umunthi. Proefesa Kithure Kindiki Amutetheesye Kuanisya Mawatho make kwa Akenya na Kuthanthasya agenda ya Nthi ya Kenya. Mauvoni ala moneka atama kuthimba munini wake ula unanguthulwe kuma kivilani Rigathi Gachagua. Ruto ni wase wake nthini wa ofisi wa President wi mwau ivindani ya miaka ile. Ruto Niwakulya atongoi onthe mathukume mwene nthi vate kuvathula mbai kana kikundi ona kimwe na kwa wiananu. Onesmus Chalo na mauvombe yange.
President William Ruto na nthini wa chathe cha kumwithia Kithitu munini wake mweo Proefesa Kithure Kindiki Niwakulya Amutetheesye kuanisya mawatho make kwi ene nthi ma Kenya alawa mathia vindani ya uteti wala wetakana kwa ilungu ya miaka ilila withitwa tongo-ini kumoso tongo wa nthi ethitwa inena maendeleo ma serikali yake eweka haki kionekane kuvuthisya utongo wa ulona munini wake Rigathi Gachagua vala Ruto Amukulya Kithure Kindiki Amutetheesye kiuthukumi.
My dear Professor Kindiki, I need your voice. I need your intellect to help me and to help members of our cabinet to profile the things we are doing, to speak to the things that we are doing. I have almost become a lonely voice in the executive, especially in the presidency, speaking about our projects, speaking about our programs, elaborating on what we are doing. You are eloquent, my brother. You are intelligent, my brother. I am confident that you will do that which I have missed for the last 2 years. I know you will.
Ingenwa mwenda munini wake mwathukume nthi ya Kenya tena chiendikana kweke angaliko anaimwe kwinena ke misingi yake mbai.
I am delighted to affirm that our coalition and indeed our nation is blessed with many professionals who meet all these criteria. Among them, Abraham Kithure Kindiki stands out for his exceptional qualifications, extensive experience, and wide-ranging accomplishments. I am honored that he is available. He has told me he is ready, and I know he is willing to serve as my deputy.
Ruto nwa mukathia Kindiki weteta mundu umwisi nesana ena kisomo cha kuyenena utwika thini wa mundu motongoi wala wetekana yu ena mwikio na ofisi umwe wa vikiana kukwatwa munini wa Musumbi na nukuthukuma undu vailite.
Over the past 2 decades, I have had the privilege to witness Professor Kindiki's work as a professor, litigation lawyer, consulting attorney, senator representing Tharaka Nithi, majority leader of the Senate, deputy speaker of the Senate, the most recently as cabinet secretary. I can confirm that in all these roles, he has demonstrated exceptional dedication, high competence and professionalism, and consistently delivered results beyond expectations. Professor Kindiki is a highly qualified and outstanding scholar, advocate and public servant, whose career has been defined by exemplary achievements which demonstrate his vision for positive change and commitment to high standards of efficiency in the performance of his duties.
Kithure Kindiki nwa munini wa Musumbi wa katatu wa nthi ya Kenya na ena kianda cha kwithwa nthini wa sikalo cia serikali kumutetheesya Musumbi kuvanga mivango ya serikali muno kutumwa ni Musumbi kula Musumbi utatonya kuvika Televote Vlingo Movo Mutongo TV Neto Onesmus Chalo.